Hi everyone, I'm Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to fix a common problem in Framer. So I have this navbar and then I have a dropdown. If I click on any link, it brings me to another page. However, as you can see, the dropdown is still showing up and we don't want this to happen because it is bad UX. So today I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue. So this happens usually when you have a navbar which is inside a layout template. Now I will double click on the component and inside the component we have a overlay. So the overlay needs to be a component, so let's create a new one. Create a new variant. Now connect the first variant with the second one and make sure that you select the first option right here on click. Select the second variant and go to visible and click on no. Select the first variant and make sure that your cursor is on web cursor and then select the standard one. So go back to home now. Let's click on this drop down icon. And now when I click on any link, as you can see, we don't have this issue anymore. So that is it guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.